13 years ago, in June of 2009, we took our first steps on the property of the ancient and abandoned abbey of the Recollets monks. Have you ever had a moment where you had such a strong feeling about something? This is right. This is it. We were not looking to buy or live or renovate a chateau or an abbey. We were not looking to buy any real estate here in France. We already had a pied-à-terre, a tiny vacation home that we were slowly restoring. While we were spending a few weeks there for our summer vacation, it just so happened that we bumped into our realtor, Jackie, at the supermarket. He mentioned that there was an old abbey that had just been placed on the market in the small town that was only 5 kilometers away from our place. Now, we knew this town pretty well because we would do our shopping or go out to dinner there, and we never remembered seeing an old abbey. Jackie was a good realtor, and he went on about this mysterious place, surrounded by tall stone walls that protected the nearly 2 hectares of gardens with mature trees. Being a landscape architect, I took the bait. I was hooked. I needed to see this land. I was really impressed. That is a lot of property in the middle of a town. Again, being the good realtor that he was, he reeled us in by saying that he was on vacation and was coming back on the exact day that we were leaving to drive to the airport to travel back to Los Angeles. Of course, right? So we made the appointment, and for the entire rest of our vacation, that is all we talked about. The suspense was killing us. Like I mentioned before, we were not looking. We were just basically curious, right? The day arrived, and with our suitcases packed in the car, we went to see Jackie and the ancient abandoned abbey of the Recollets monks. Little did I know that once I passed through those gates, my life would change forever.